Yes, hello. Good morning everyone. Good day. So, nandito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong topic about the shear and moment on the static of rigid bodies. So, if you take the board exam, you see the under of PSAD or the structural design and construction. Okay, so this time we will be having distributed loads. The distribution of loads is 8 kilonewton per meter and the span is 10 meters. So we have the hinge support and the roller support at both ends. Okay? So solve natin ito kung paano natin isosolve itong problem na ito. Okay? So the question is, what are the values of shear and moment at X from A? This is from A. Ibig sabihin yan. Okay? This is X 7 meters from this edge or from A. Determine the maximum bending moment maximum or the moment maximum. Yun, okay. So, i-analyze natin kung so, ibig sabihin, dalawa yung moment na hinahanap. The moment along X or at X is equal to 7 meters and the maximum moment. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa tayo sure kung yung moment na makukuha natin at 7 meters is the maximum moment. Okay? So, solve natin kung paano ito. Okay, so meron tayong structure. This is the distributed load, 8 kilonewton per meter. And of course, we will be having a support here or the reaction. Yan, we have the RA and RB. Okay, so take the moment at A. Take tayo ng moment at A is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, magmo-moment tayo dito. So the rotation is, okay, so we have 10 RB kasi magro-rotate tayo ng ganyan. For example, rotation natin is ganito. So we have RB, negative sign. So ilalagay ko na lang dito sa side na ito. Tapos yung 10, yung 8 times 10. Kasi dapat makuha muna natin yung, itong 8 times 10 is equal to the area of this portion. The area. Para makuha natin yung resultant force nito. So, dito kasi mag-a-act. So, to cancel out, this would be 80 Newton. 80 Newton na lang yan. Kilonewton pala, I should say. Kilonewton na lang kasi times 8 times 10 meters is makakancel dito yung meters. Makakancel, so magiging kilonewton na lang. Ibig sabihin, magiging single load na lang siya. So, para ma-convert natin itong distributed load into a single load, mangyayari sa kanya is, kukunin natin yung kanyang area. Okay? So, this would be the area. Okay, what is the P5? Kasi yung 5 is mag-act siya on the center or the center of gravity nitong 10 meters. Kasi yun yung total span niya. Yung total span niya is 10 meters. 'Di ba? 10 meters. So, ibig sabihin, mahanap natin yung distance niya is into 5. Okay, that is the distance naman, 5 meters from A. Okay? So, kaya yung 5 yun yung perpendicular distance niya ng moment. Okay, so we have RB is equal to 40 kilonewton. Okay, so lagay natin dito yung 40 kilonewton. And summation of forces naman tayo vertical. The summation of forces vertical is equal to RA plus RB is equal to 8 times 10. So, ito na yun yung 80 kilonewton. Ito na yan. So, we have RA is equal to 40 kilonewton also. So, lagyan natin dito. So, dito, madali natin masasabi na 40 kilonewton kasi simply supported, dalawa lang yung loads at tsaka symmetry naman yung loadings natin. Diba? Distributed naman. Uniformly distributed naman yung load natin. So, yun yung pagkuha lang natin ng ating reaction. Okay, kaya lang the question is the shear and the moment. Okay, paano natin isosolve itong moment or shear? Okay, so lagay natin dito. Cut natin yung section, ano? Cut natin yung section niya. So, once na kinat natin yung section, kinat kasi natin siya dito eh. Diba? Nakakat yung section natin dito. Kinat natin yung section at this distance x. Ito yung magiging distance niya. Ikakat natin ito at a distance x. Ibig sabihin variable, hindi unknown. Okay? So, once nakikinat natin yan, magkakaroon tayo dito ng shear. Okay? Magkakaroon tayo ng shear force. Okay, yung shear force natin yan is, para makuha yung shear force na yan is gagamitin lang natin yung summation of forces vertical. Ito na yung i-consider nating figure. Hindi na yung sa taas. Ito na yung figure na i-consider natin. So, the summation of forces is equal to the RA. Diba? Yung RA is pataas. Tapos yung itong 8 times x kasi ito magiging area din yan. Area nitong area nito. Magiging area siya. So, para ma-convert natin into a single load, dapat daw kunin natin yung area niyan. So, that is 8 times x plus VC. Yung VC is pababa. So, magsasama itong dalawa loadings. Okay, since ang hinahanap natin is VC, is lipat natin yung 8x sa kabila. So, ang mangyayari is magiging negative yung 8x. Okay, so we have RA is equal minus 8x. Yun yung value ng VC natin. Okay, substitute the value of RA. May value tayo ng RA na 40. At saka yung value natin ng x is sabi dito is 7. So, substitute natin ng value. So, we will get the value of negative 16. Okay, so negative 16. So, ibig sabihin talaga pag negative 16, downward force tayo. Okay, so how about the moment? Okay, we will take the moment at here. Ganito yung magiging rotation ng moment natin. Okay, delete lang natin itong okay, so yun yung magiging moment natin, ano? Ito yung magiging moment natin. Yun yung rotation niya. Okay. Moment at C. Dito tayo mag-moment sa C. Sinabi ko kasi dito, this would be point C. Okay? Okay, moment. What is the moment? So, iikot tayo dito. Ito, sumasalungat. Ito, umaayon. Dito, wala tayong moment kay VC. Kasi wala siyang perpendicular distance or wala siyang moment arm. Okay, so mangyayari is moment C, yung magiging magsasama kay moment C is itong 8 kN meter, that is 8x. Okay, diba into a single load, that is 8x. Tapos yung distance niya is x over 2, 1/2. Okay, yun. Is equal to RA, yung RA times x. Okay, RA times x. Yun yung ating magiging equation naman sa moment. Okay, since ang hinahanap natin is moment at C lang, yung moment at C, so ito ilipat natin sa kabila. Nangyayari, that would be RAX is minus 8x times x over 2. Okay, so we have 40x, substitute natin yung value na ni RA, that is 40x. Tapos ito, magiging 4x squared kasi 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then x times x squared. Okay, yun yung magiging formula natin. And then we substitute the value of 7 in terms of sa x. Okay, so ito yung mangyayari sa kanya. This would be 84 kilonewton. Okay, yun yung ating magiging moment at C or moment when the x at x is equal to 7 and the shear is equal to 16 when along x is 7 meters. Okay? How about for the maximum bending or maximum moment? Okay? Hanapin natin yung maximum moment. Paano natin yun? When the velocity, when the shear, ito actually this would be annotation lang yan, ano? Yung ano natin dito is the shear. When the shear daw is equal to 0, yun yung mahanap natin or doon natin matatagpuan yung maximum moment. Kung yung shear mo is magsi-0 or yung location ng shear mo na 0, kung saan yung value ng shear mo is 0, doon mo makikita yung maximum moment. Okay? Yun yung yun yung ibig sabihin nitong V is equal to 0, the moment is equal to maximum. Okay? So, set natin. We have the formula. Yung formula natin na kanina, ito na. Okay? Tapos set natin ito into 0. At tapos may value tayo ng 40 or ng RA. Okay, lipat natin yung 40 sa kabila. Sabi natin, ito, magiging positive. At saka yung x natin is 5 meters. So, ibig sabihin, the location of the moment is at the midpoint of this ating midpoint nitong ating span. Okay, this is 5 meters also. So, tama naman kasi uniformly distributed at saka okupado lahat niya ng span. Diba? So, ibig sabihin talaga, yung moment niya is nasa center. Nasa center talaga yung kanyang moment. So, from the formula naman, para mahanap natin yung value ng moment, ito yung gamitin natin. Okay, kasi naka-equate na tayo dito. Okay, so 40x minus, lipat na, substitute the value of x, yung nakuha na natin kanina na 5 meters. Okay, yung maximum moment natin is 100 kilonewton meter. Okay, so yun yung ating pagsagot dito sa problem na ito.